Well, the tobacco industry isn't trustworthy. I mean, in the first place, we had a case that lasted for several years that ended in an order by a court observing that they had lied about the harmful effects of smoking, that they had destroyed documents, that they had targeted youth, all the things that they said that they didn't do. And it was under a racketeering statute, RICO, Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, that the case went forward. In order for the judge to find in the United States' favor, as she did, she had to conclude that not only had they committed these bad acts, these racketeering acts, but that they were continuing to do so and were likely to continue into the future. So that initial decision was in 2006, and that brings us to current day. And it appears that the industry continues to act in a manner inconsistent with the RICO, inconsistent with the court's order to cease and desist from their bad acts. Did take the position in the federal litigation that they had a constitutional right to lie, that they didn't have to be truthful in their representations. So it's not just money that's going into various members of legislative bodies to, support them. It's also the information that they're getting from the industry, or misinformation in many cases. They fight very hard, and they continue to do that to this day, and they don't care what kind of information they use. It's not just a matter of money that they're doing it. It's also a matter of misinformation and drafting laws that they know are not written in a way that certainly would advance public health concerns that they openly voice. Take Tobacco 21, for instance. There's nothing wrong with raising the age to purchase tobacco products to 21. Why do we need all of these additional things going alongside of it, which could lead to preemption, and then state and local governments couldn't do things about smoke-free laws? And that's a problem. They pretend to be on the side of good on one thing, but what they give, they take back. And it's really a constant thing that the industry is doing. It's not something that they did do, it's something that they do. It's who they are. ASH has been instrumental in keeping the tobacco industry in check in a lot of ways. And they've been around for, 50 years is that what we're talking about? And the work that they've done both here in the United States and abroad is amazing. ASH is one of the organizations that I always look to as being very progressive and on top of things in terms of what could we do and moving forward with bold initiatives. I like that about them.